Hello, my friends. Let's make another bloom.
It looks like a dark mustard color. And the red violet. Ooh. That was a lot. And then we got our lavender. I'm not going to put too much, just in the center. Okay, black cell activator. Let me see a bubble. All right, let's blow this out. Okay, let's wait for that to fill up. Where's my yellow? And also I need to scoot it over, but it's definitely gonna have to fill up first. So I'm gonna give it a few minutes and I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get some more cells in the very center by blowing on it. Let's see if I can move it yet. No, it's still, the middle's not moving. Okay, we got a few. Okay, I have to wait a few more minutes till I can move it all as one. Okay, it's still not. The middle's not moving. Strange. Oh, there it goes. All right. Maybe because it was just sitting on the spinner. Okay, let me make some petals. To make some petals. Don't want that. Okay, now we'll kind of go like this. This one has lots of petals. My yellow is really missing. Maybe when I spin it out, it's like, where did it go? Maybe as I spin it out. Okay, let's spin it. Oh, I know. Let me scoot it a little bit away from me. And let me adjust the camera. Let me check it and see if I need to adjust it.